We're here in Fort Collins, Colorado, northern Colorado, doing a foundation repair. Stone wall, 1908 house. Got called in. 12 foot needs to be repaired. 4 foot, 4 foot tall. We're going to do a CMU wall. Rebar 16 inches on center. Everything has to be done by hand besides this piece of equipment right now. To excavate the dirt and get everything out. This will be a brand new wall after we're done. Homeowner tells me here in northern Colorado it was hard to find some contractor to take care of her situation. Luckily, the engineer I work with here in northern Colorado gave her my number, and we do a lot of foundation repair. Egress windows, anything that has to do with foundation cracks, resealing, we take care of that. I personally don't advertise for it. Run a small business, licensed and insured here in northern Colorado. We're based out of Greeley, Colorado. Been doing it for quite a while, but we'll take progress of the job, and we'll post more as we do. Thanks. Our business name is Decorative Concrete and Remodeling. So if you have any questions, concerns on your project, or if you need somebody to tackle a project like this, we even do full basement repairs on old houses. We necessarily don't lift them up, we just hold them up and we put new CMU walls underneath. So yeah, we'll take more videos as we proceed to do the project. Thanks.